Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sailor Jupiter from Sailor Moon. So let's get started. To draw cute Sailor Jupiter, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, say about here, and draw another circle. There, so now my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now with my eyes in, I'm going to spruce them up and I'm going to add a curve over the eye. Just to make it follow kind of like the anime look right here. And then about right here on the sides, I'm going to add some lashes. Maybe just like 3 curves. And then underneath each eye right here, I'm just going to lightly add a soft curve. So let's draw the same thing on this side. Just put a curve right over your eye, over the circle. Bring it down a little bit more on the edge. Then once again, draw some lashes right here on the sides and at the bottom right here, a soft curve. There. And then let's give her a sweet smile. So in between the eyes about right here, I'm just going to add a soft curve and cap it off. Then from there, let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to get really close to her eyes and where the lashes are. So let's say about right here, the top of the eye, about right here. I'll give myself a point and here. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw the bottom of a U, but I'm going to angle it a little bit more. So let's start more angular about right here, close to the eye. We're going to angle it, and then let's find the center about right here, and I'm going to bring it down to say about right here where I want her chin to be. Then about right there, I'm going to start to angle it in. So turn your paper or your body, whatever you need to help you draw this angle. So about right here is kind of like where the jawline is, and we're going to angle it in just like the other side towards your center. There. So then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to start to draw the amazing anime hair. So it gets pretty complicated with all the strands. So let's hopefully I'm going to help you today, but we're going to imagine this oval for the head. So I'm just going to say about right here towards the side. I'm just going to say about right here. Give myself a point, and I'm going to go up and draw one strand close to the eye, go up, and we're going to bring in another one. So I'm trying to simplify as much as possible. So just 3 strands, get close to the eye, and one more curve just to finish it off. There. You don't have to follow exactly my strands, but the idea is just to give her some bangs. Then on this side, we're going to split it and go the other way now. So this one is going to come this way. You're going to have a strand come up, and then we're going to put in one big strand on this side to finish it off. So let's get really close to her eye, to where we started, and we're going to pop it out. There. And then we're going to bring this in for one nice thick strand. And before I forget, I'm just going to come in here with a curve just to break it up. Then let's come back over here we're going to finish this curve with another strand. And to balance it all out, let's come back about right here with another curve. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come back. Let's see here. Actually, we have one more curve to draw. So come back about right here. And we're going to make this side a little bit fuller. So we're going to draw one more curve coming up. And then we're going to come out right here and draw a strand of hair. Just pop it out. Not too long, just about right here. And then we're going to thicken it up. There. And then we're going to put in an ear. So about right here, kind of where the eye is. Put in an ear for a curve. And so same thing on this side, we're going to need to draw another strand. Right about here, and then once again the ear. There. So there's different versions that I see of Sailor Jupiter. If you want, you can give her some earrings, like a star right here. If you want to make it a little bit more detailed. There, just add a little star to spruce it up. Then, before I forget, so this little curve, these two curves right here, just come back in here with a curve to finish it off. Then she has this very important headband, right? So let's go to our center, about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point. And we're going to draw two curves going out. So just continue whatever space you have through your bangs. And then we're going to thicken it up. So straight up and this way. There. And we're going to come in here and we're going to just add a line for some detail. And here as well. And then in the center, I'm just going to add an oval. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. And from there, finally, we're going to come back into this space. We're going to make this side really full as well. So let's come back about right here. We're going to draw another curve. So it kind of balances out. And then on this side, let's go ahead and start. We're going to come up. So we're just kind of imagine we need to draw this the top of her hair. So you could, maybe it's a little bit easier. Let's go to the top. Let's find our center, go up, and say about right here. Just kind of imagine how high you want her hair. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. I'll start from there. And I'm going to just imagine this dome over her head. So let's come out. And about right here, I'm going to put in some strands. So 2. And then we're going to put in one more and complete it. There. And then this part, this side is a lot easier. We're just going to go around and back to this curve we created. Okay, and then in this area right here, kind of where it splits, come up a little bit and you can just draw a little detail. You can bring these in a little bit more. Now that we're done. There. And then, of course, we have to draw her ponytail. So about in this area right here, we're going to draw 2 of these circles. One, and the one right next to it. And I know her ponytail won't get in the way, so let's draw her ponytail first then. Let's come up right here and we're going to pop it up nice and high and bring it down. And about right here, you just draw a little curve that comes out to break it up. Then swirl it in. And right here, I'm just gonna try to simplify it and just give it another little curve right there. You can make it extra complicated if you like with all these curves, but I'm just gonna leave it like this today. And let's see here. Okay, so now we're pretty much done with the head. Let's finally draw the body. Sorry it took so long, it's just really complicated, right? Okay, so hopefully the body will be a lot faster. Let's put in a little neck right here. And we're gonna bring out the shoulders on both sides. And let's come back into this area and we're going to give her a little choker right here. And let's bring in to the center. We're going to curve this towards the center. Right there. So we know what we're working with. And I'm going to come out right here for her collar, the sailor, her outfit. So about right here and here. I'm just going to curve it in. But before I finish all of that, I want to come back into the center and draw a star. Some versions I see it's like just a heart. So all up to you which one you want to draw. But I'm going to put a star today. And then right in here, I'm going to add a big bow. So I just want the bow to be about right here to make sure I don't have to draw too many details. Nice and wide and bring it in. So same thing here. Just want to put it into this area. And some details right here, and then we can finally bring this part in. And some detail right there. And then the tail of our bow. Let's come out to, oh wait, it's too long. Okay, so about right here. And break it up. There, and then we can continue the body about right here and here. And then in this area, we're going to, let's see here. Let's simplify this, and we're just going to come and bring it to the center. One and up. There. From there, we're going to thicken this part up right here. And right here, round it off and bring it in. Then we can go ahead and draw her skirt. So we're going to flare this part out. And this part for a short little skirt. And go ahead, we're just going to wobble our way across. Just add some lines for some detail, and then for the legs. So let's come down. This is our center, so we're going to about here and here. And hips, so legs, so let's come about right here. So I'll work on this side first. We're just going to bring it down at an angle. And we're going to get thinner as we come down. Just keep bringing this down. To about right there. And about right here, I'm going to flare this out. Come down with a curve. And this is going to be the heel of our shoe. I'm going to bring this round and up. And you can add a little heel if you like for some detail. And let's come back right about here, and we're going to cut it off for some boots. So this side, same thing. Let's go ahead. About right there, and same thing. just get thinner as you come down. And once again, we're going to draw the heel and then bring this out, curve it in, and connect. And once again, the heel. There. Okay, and then the detail for the boot, same area. 2 angles. And then from there, finally the arms. So let's come over here and we're going to have the hands on her skirt right here so we don't have to draw too many details. We're going to come back kind of like where the armpit area would be, and we're going to angle and angle down, and about right here, just an indication of her hand. So let's continue this. Elbow. It's going to get thinner, angle, and then a little finger. And for some details, come right here, we're going to cut it off for her sleeve. You can pop this out if you like, and then her gloves. There's 2 of them, you can pop it out. There. So same thing on this side. So let's have it once again about right here. We're going to angle and bring her hands down and angle. And pop it out. And once again, sleeve, and then right about here, 2, and pop it out. There, finally done, except of course we're not completely done here. If you like, there's actually a bow that she has on the back right here. So we're just going to kind of draw an indication of it coming out. And then if you like, you can even put in the strand, the tail of her bow. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version here of Sailor Jupiter and I helped you draw her fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.